CJ's leading us in stretching today before we do our exercise. Good job, CJ. Good job, Jessica. Good job, Steve. Omar. All right, Rafa, Dominic. Sophia, you want to stretch, Mama? Good job. Vamos, Bianca. Jennifer. Nubia, vamos, Nubia, ¿te cansaste? Two favorite cousins?
Michael and Jaime. Basketball. Giving me present. Y tamales.
Are they there? Are they there for you? Do they support you? Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, but why do you love him? What does he take you places?
Yeah.
Where does he like to take you?
Taking to the party.
Love my family because they're good for they're good at taking places.
Yeah. Where do they take you?
My sister took me to the Dodger game this weekend.
This weekend we went to the Dodger game?
Yeah.
Family. A family box.
Yeah.
My name's Dom. Yeah, no.
You got it, bud. Good job.
Why do you love your family, Dominic? I love my family because
Really love my family because apparently they've been there for me throughout my darkest times. Ever since the day I got out of surgery. The last 9 years I faced no obstacles on my own terms, as well as my brother. That's things to this now.
why do you love tu papá? ¿Dónde está tu papá?
There you go. Hey, 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 Are we guys at the train station? Are we waiting for the train to come? Are you gonna explain to them? All right, let's do this. Over 100 years. Wow, and it's still sturdy. It's built to last. And from Texas.
In this room, I'm very worried. These two keys are very dangerous because they're still working. If you put a finger in there,
Wow.
yes, you can make tortilla too.
Steve, come on, go through it. Good job, Steve. Steve, this is more than 100 years old kitchen.
Welcome over.